Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Civic headliner. First, gather your tools, including screwdrivers, plastic trim removal tools, and a wire brush. You'll also need new foam-backed headliner fabric and a high-temperature spray adhesive, like 3M headliner adhesive. Remember to disconnect your car's negative battery cable for safety before you begin any work. This ensures no electrical issues arise during the process. Now, let's get that old headliner out. Start by removing all accessories from the ceiling, such as the sun visors, grab handles, and the dome light assembly. These are typically held by screws or clips. Next, carefully detach the pillar trim panels along the sides of the roof. Once all components are free, gently pull the headliner board down and maneuver it out of the car, often through a door opening, taking care not to bend it. With the old headliner board removed, it's time for preparation. Peel off the old, sagging fabric and meticulously scrape away all the deteriorated foam from the board. A wire brush or light sandpaper works well to achieve a smooth, clean surface, which is crucial for good adhesion. Then, lay your new headliner fabric over the board, ensuring it's centered and has at least 6 inches of overhang around all edges for trimming later. For installation, fold back half of the new fabric. Apply an even coat of high-temperature spray adhesive to both the exposed board and the back of the fabric. Wait a few minutes for it to become tacky, then carefully press the fabric onto the board, working from the center outwards to avoid wrinkles. Repeat this process for the other half. Once dry, trim excess fabric and cut holes for accessories. Reinstall the headliner board and all trim pieces in reverse order. Check the description for a link to quality socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.